Parinamvad, theory of transformation. Parinam means change or transformation. This Vad is also postulated in Sankhya Darshan. Based on Parinamvad, they describe the evolution process of universe, that is, transformation of Mool Prakriti into Vikrutis like Mahad, etc. is the Shrushti. आहार परिणाम कर भावः. आहार परिणाम करास्त्वी में भावा भवन्ति तद्यथा उष्मा वायुः क्लेदः स्नेहः कालः संयोगश्चेति. चरक Sharistan 6th 14. Thus the factors present in the Sharira which are responsible for the digestion and metabolism of the ingested food are collectively called as Ahar Parinamkar Bhav. They are Ushma, Vayu, Kled, Sneha, Kal, Samyog. Ushma, digestive fire, helps in food digestion. Vayu propels the food to the next level. Kleda helps in food breakdown. Samyoga, food intake as per Prakriti. Kala, the time taken for digestion. Sneha, softens the ingredients of food. Examples of Parinamvad. First, formation of curd from fermentation of milk. Second, water when cooled changes into solid and becomes ice. Third, evolution of tree from seed. Examples of Parinamvad based on Ayurveda. The change of former dhatu into later dhatu is based on Parinam. The food is transformed into Ahar Ras and Ras into Rakt and so on. Here the change takes place in both attributes and in the form of object. Rasat raktam tato mansam mansamedah prajayate medaso asthi tato majja majjah shukram tujayate. Shushrut Sutrasthan 14:10. The theory of Parinamvad holds true here if we consider Kshiradati Nyaya of Dhatu Poshan. Chathरेणाग्निना योगात् यदुत्तेति रसान्तरं रसानां परिणामान्ते सविपाक इति स्मृतः. अष्टांगहृदय सूत्रस्थान 6:20. Vipak is nothing but the modification of rasa when it comes in contact with Chaturagni. Third, Strotasi khalu parinamapadyamananam dhatunamabhivahini bhavantyanathena charak vimansthan 5:3. In the context of definition of strotas, the dhatus while travelling in strotas are being converted. References: Ahar Parinamkar Bhav, Charak Sharistan 6:14, Kshiradati Nyaya, Shushrut Sutrasthan 4:10, Vipak Ashtang Hriday Sutrasthan 6:20, Strotas Charak Vimansthan 5:3, Padat Vignanam Evam Ayurveda Itihas. Author Dr. Shubha M., Dr. Ravi Rao, and Wikipedia. Thank you.